And now, your first Alert 5 weather.
We have been very fortunate with the lack of wildfires here east of the Rockies here in Colorado this summer, but not the case on the other side of the Continental Divide. There are currently 7 fires burning in southwestern Colorado right now, and you can see from that camera shot from the Wolf Creek Ski Resort, pretty healthy plume of smoke coming over the ridge tops right there across southwestern Colorado. Outside right now, we are warm and dry. 84 is the current temperature. Northeast breeze 14 miles per hour. Live looking downtown Pueblo, another summer sizzler today. Your high earlier was 96 degrees. Easterly breeze right now at 16 miles per hour. Here's what's going to happen around here for your finally Friday. Lots of sunburn, sunshine all day long. At least it'll be pleasant early tomorrow morning. By lunchtime, we're already in the 80s, coming close to 90 out across parts of the lower Arkansas River Valley. We will achieve those 90s along the river tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures unseasonably hot. By 7 o'clock tomorrow, kicking off those high school football games, it will be dry all across the area. Temperatures still into the 80s in most locations. Now by Saturday, for the first time in a long time, a chance of thunderstorms. I think they'll be isolated to far southeastern Colorado. Haven't seen those colors on the map in a heck of a long time. Some of those thunderstorms could be strong. A couple could go severe. You could see hail maybe up to an inch in diameter out across rural southeastern Colorado. Of course, we'll keep you updated on that prospect here over the next couple of days. A cold front on the way for us. Look at this. This is pretty dramatic. 7 o'clock Saturday evening, cold front will have moved through Colorado Springs. 61, Pueblo 81, so a 20-degree difference with that cold front pushing from north to south. It'll blast through all of eastern Colorado later on Saturday by Sunday morning down to the south of us. Nice moist upslope flow at the surface, some good energy around here, some good lift. So we will see thunderstorms break out during the afternoon on Sunday, and by Sunday evening, maybe some moderate to even heavy rain possible across parts of the viewing area. By Sunday and Monday, going to see more rainfall across the area. Even Monday morning, not out of the question to see some pockets of beneficial rain across parts of southeastern Colorado. Then watch what happens Monday afternoon into Monday night. More moderate to possibly heavy rain here along parts of the I-25 corridor. Some of our models kicking out over an inch of rain along I-25 during that time frame. Big talk about this one. The Folsom Field going to be rocking on Saturday as Nebraska rolls into town. It's not a prime time kickoff because it starts at 10 a.m., but it's still going to be fun to watch. Kickoff temperature of 73. Pretty toasty by that final gun with lots of sunshine. If you're headed up to Folsom, pack the sunscreen. Pueblo today, 96 your high. That's 10 degrees hotter than average. And in Colorado Springs, look at that, 91 today. Felt a lot more like July. We missed our all-time record high temperature by just 2 degrees. Tonight, clear, calm, and cool overnight. Low temperatures really pretty decent considering how hot it was today. We'll drop back into the mid-50s around here, 30s across some of those high mountain valleys tonight. It's getting to be that time of the year around here for your Friday. It's going to be hot, but thankfully not quite as hot as what we had around here today. Temperatures anywhere from 3 to 5 degrees cooler than today. Here's that Super 7 day in Colorado Springs. Hang tough. We've got some big changes on the way. I think you'll like it. Cold front gets here later on Saturday. Rain and thunderstorms in abundance in some areas next week to go along with much cooler air. We'll go from the 80s into the 70s, and how about some 60s? That's some of the coolest air we've felt in a heck of a long time, and rainfall opportunities really strong Sunday and Monday. Not as many storms Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, but still a chance we could get additional moisture on those days. Pueblo, here comes that pattern change you've waited a whole month for. There's only been 0.2 of an inch of rain in Pueblo the past 31 days, so that rain next week is so badly needed. The vegetation has just become bone dry across Pueblo County, and that high of 75 on Tuesday, the coolest air you have felt since last spring. A lot to look forward to. Canyon City, here's the menu for the next 7 days, and there's a lot to choose from. Hot and dry gives way to much cooler weather next week, and it is going to rain. Finally going to get some of that much needed precipitation. It's not going to feel like July next week around here. For Woodland Park, it's going to rain next week. I've got thunderstorms in your forecast and then just some scattered showers on the way. It's going to be a cool, wet pattern change, exactly what we need to mitigate that high fire danger. All right, that's it for now. We're back with more after a break.